Hi guys, this lesson we're going to talk about intelligent fog light. Before starting this game, you need firstly install light sensor on shoulder and install ultrasonic sensor on left arm. The assembly method, principle, and command used in this video can be viewed in the file under the same directory. Now let's get started. Open LX terminal. Enter command and press enter to come to the directory of game programming. Please note that you must pay attention to case sensitivity and can find in keyword with tab key. Then enter the following command and press enter to start the game. Now let's look at the performance. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please have a try.